Hey everyone, Nitesh this side. Hope you're doing well. So let's start with the question. So the question is boats to save people. Okay, so you're given an array of people where people is the weight of the ith person and an infinite number of boats. Okay, so you've given an array which represent weight of the people and where each boat can carry a maximum weight of limit. Okay, so there is a limit in a boat. Each boat carries at most two people at the same time. Okay, so maximum person can go is two people provided the sum of the weight of those people is at most limit. So what you have to do, you have to return the minimum number of boats to carry every given person. Okay, so let's see, let's understand with an example. Okay, so you have given this people array and a limit. Okay, so you have n number of boats, so this is your boats. So you have similarly n number of boat and how many people can sit, so there can be only one and two person can sit on this, and the limit for this, like this plus this, is less than equal to limit. Okay, so let's say if the person weight is greater than or less, like their both sum is greater than limit, so only one person can sit at a time. Okay, so and in the question it's also in the like in the constraint it's mentioned like one person have the less than or equal to limit weight. So in boat one person can go. Okay, not sure about two, but one person can go. Okay, so if you can see this example, so we have this one and a two and limit of three is three. So in a boat we can basically set two people, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and it is less than equal to 3, so we only take one boat. Okay, let's see for this. Okay, so we have this 3 2 2 1 and the limit is 3. Okay, so for this case if you see, let's say we take this person. Okay, so this is only 3 and if we take any other person, so it will be greater than our limit, so we will not take it. So we will take first boat as 3. Similarly we can take this and this also, but 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, so we can't take it, but we can take 2 plus 1 equal to 3, which is less than equal to our limit, so we can take it. So we will take this also. You can say they can sit in a boat and this, so 2. So how many boats we require? So we need 1 2 3, so this is equal to 3. Okay, let's see for this example. So we have this 3 5 3 4. Okay, and we have a limit of 5. Okay, so what we can do, we can take this also, but we can't take any other, so we can take only 3 single. Similarly this 3 also will be single, and this 5 is less, so this will be also a single element in a boat, and similarly this 4 also. So for this case we require 4 boats. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you. Let's see how we can basically approach the question. Okay, so if you can see, what we can do is, in a, like we can only sit two people in a boat. Okay, so what we can do is basically first take a maximum weight person and a lower weight person together. Okay, so what we can do is, so let's say we have given this example 3 2 2 1 and our limit is basically 3. Okay, so what we can do is basically take the maximum person and the lowest person. So what we can do, we can sort this array. So we will sort this. This become 1 2 2 and a 3. So basically we will take one pointer at here and one pointer at here. Okay, so first we will check if both the weight are like, let me give it I and let me give it j. If ith person and jth person weight is less than equal to limit, so I will take both the person and I only require one boat. Okay, and I will move further. Okay, so what we will check, basically we will check if people of I plus j is less than equal to limit, we'll do something, else we do something, but whatever we do we require one boat. So let's take a boat variable as, which will start from 0. Okay, so we will increment it every time. So what we will do, we will check if there's some I plus j. So 3 plus 1 is become 4, and 4 is not equal to limit, so we will not lies in this condition. So what we will do, we will only take the maximum person, because the lowest person can be come in like with other person also, but maximum can't come because we have take the smallest one, and smallest one can't able to come. So after this the number are bigger, so that can't be a possible. So what we will do, we will just do j minus minus here, and we will move it here, and we will increment our board, so board will become 1. We'll again check for 1 plus through is less than equal to limit. So our limit is 3. 1 second. So our limit is 3, and 1 plus 2 is, you can say this is j, is less than equal to limit. So what we will do, we will increment our I plus plus, and we will also, so what we are telling is like we can take the same I, and they both can go in a single boat. So 1 and 2 can go in a single boat, so we'll increment. Okay, after this again we are at the same location, so I equal to j. So what we will do, we'll just do j minus minus, and we'll take 1 boat extra, so this will become 3. Okay, let's take one more example. Okay, so let's understand with this example. So first step is to sort this array, so this will become 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll take our I from here and j from here. So first condition is to check whether ith weight plus jth weight is less than equal to limit. No, it is not less than, so we'll take a boat variable also. So what we will do, we will decrement our j, and I will remain at that point, and we will update our boat by 1. So again we will check for this ith plus jth weight. So 2 plus 4 is less than equal to limit. Yes, it is less than equal to, so they both can go in a single boat, so this will become 2. And at this point I will increment both, so I also incremented and j also incremented. Now I will like only single element is left, so we just do a single, you can say incremented, so this will become 3. So this is the output for this case. Hope it will be clear to you. So let's write the code for this. Okay, so our first step is to sort the people array. So we sort the array, then let's take a variable. Let's take 2 pointer, I 0 and j will be n minus 1. So it will be simply a while loop while I is less than equal to j. First condition is to check if their sum of weight is less than equal to the limit. J is less than equal to limit. We'll do something else, we do j. Else is simpler, it's just j minus minus. If condition is true, so we do I plus plus and j minus minus, and in both the condition will increase the boat value. So boat equal boat plus plus, and we just return the boat. Okay, let's run it. Let's see. So as you can see, this is accepted. Let's submit it. And our code is submitted. So the time complexity for this is, you can say like we are sorting the array, so that will cause you NLogN, and we are doing a loop over an array, so that's an order of n. So a bigger like on an average, so it's the order of NLogN, and space is just order of 1. We are not using any extra space. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video, and do join the Telegram group if you have any doubt and any concern. Thank you.